So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video, as you can see, I've got a OnePlus 7 Pro with Android Q beta installed on this. This is the developer preview 4 and you can also install it, or let me just show you in the setting. So as you can see, OnePlus 7 Pro, let me just focus it. So 8 Snapdragon 855 and all that stuff, OnePlus 7 Pro, Android version 10, security patch August, Google system update and all that stuff. So yeah, so this is the new settings menu, this is the new wallpaper, this is the new Google search bar with black theme. As you can see, I have applied the black dark theme, which is called here nuanced dark. Let me just show you in the setting, guys. So you have got a redefined settings menu in which display in previous Android Pie updates, in display you get the theming option, but in Android Q do not get the theming options in the display option anymore. You get it in a separate column which is called as customization. So if you click it, you have got all the customizations options. You have got the wallpaper, the clock style, fingerprint animation, horizon lighting here, and you've got gold, red, blue and purple. So I actually like purple a little bit much, so I'm using that purple right now. You have got 3 themes here. This is nuanced dark, the one which I'm currently using. This is enough colors and this is cardinal palettes. Enough colors is actually the light theme and carnival palettes is the colorful theme. So, and you can also change the tone of the setting, which is basically theme. If you click on that, it will actually change the whole theme of the phone. And yeah, this is it about the customization. You can also change the buttons, how they look, the accent color. As you can see here, I have changing accent color, so I can I want it to be red. You can click red and click here tick. It is now red. As you can see, we have got the red accents, so pretty cool. Change it back to blue because I like the blue little one. You can also change the font here, the 2 fonts, OnePlus 8 and Noto Sans. I've got it on a default one, Noto Sans. And if I go back, you can see you have got a bar here, a bar here. Divides the setting menus in 3 parts. Got the upper connectivity part, the customization parts is the middle one, and next is the settings part, which is the basic part, or storage and all that about phone information. So about phone I've already shown you guys. If I go into battery, you've got the new battery logo, 97%, 20 minutes of screen on time, 97%, which is pretty good. And if you go into security and lock screen, you've got these 4 options: security update, Google system update. I don't know what that means, but the face unlock is working, everything is working. Dark theme is pretty cool. It looks really sick on this device, guys. You've got digital well-being now, which 16 unlocks, 29 minutes only today. So yeah, and the next thing is, let me just show you guys. So guys, you can install it on the Pi ROM. You can flash it directly and it will be installed on your phone, but certain things can be broken, like Bluetooth. For example, when I installed it on my Pi ROM, the Bluetooth wasn't working after updating it to Android Q, so I have to clean flash it again. I reset the device and everything is pretty functional right now. Everything is working. You have got the silent notifications here. You have got the new gesture system. Let me just show you guys the new gestures. So if you go into buttons and gestures, you have got this navigation bar and gestures. So there is no pin type navigation which you see in the Pi ROMs, like the button and you swipe up to go to the recents. That is not available right now. You have got the fixed navigation bars. I do not like that space between the buttons. As you can see, it's a lot more than the previous buttons, but I'm okay with the navigation gestures. As you can see, we have got the back from here. Let me just show you guys the back from here or from here, and the home from the swipe up and hold for recents, which is pretty works. They changed the back button from the bottom left or right and bottom right, and it's now on the side, so that's pretty cool. And you have got this bar also here, like iPhones. I don't know why. You can also hide it, but I chose to show it like this. You can now hide it. Now it will still be functional like that, and you can still hide it like this. There is no bar right now. The gestures will be still functional. So yeah guys, that is the new options. So the next thing is, guys, you have got this let me just turn off that. So yeah, so guys, next thing is, let me just show you guys. So if you swipe up to the left, you have got this never settle dock, the black accent Google bar, which is pretty suitable with the wallpaper and the dark theme of the phone, as you can see. And the fingerprint is a little bit slower because this is a Dp-4. As you can see, it takes some time, little bit, 1 second to unlock the phone, as you can see. Yes, and the animation is a little longer. Focus, guys. So as you saw there, the animation was a little bit longer, but it's okay considering it's a Dp-4 ROM. You have got the next thing is the battery optimization. This is a new settings. You can control the battery optimization for all the apps here. And okay, so guys, you have, let me just turn off auto brightness. And the next thing is that you have got the battery percentage here on the left side instead of right on the Android Pie ROMs. And the new thing is that your gestures are pretty refined, guys. They are working pretty good. And you have also, let me just focus on the camera, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I have focused on the DSLR camera cap. So if you click a picture, HDR is turned on, so the picture quality is pretty good. It is really high quality and it's okay. And the next thing is, you have got this super macro mode in the camera. I don't know if you can see it, super macro. Yes, there we go. So let me just click a picture in this mode. It says place the subject in 2.5 centimeter to 8 centimeter away. So I'm gonna do that, 2.5. It's a little bit focusing issue. Yes, it focused, and you click it there, and you have got this picture. It actually enhances the color of the photo. As you can see, the cap is much more darker in this photo compared to this. Yeah, you can clearly see the difference here. Actually, like both the photos, they are not pretty good, not pretty bad. Okay, they are good. Okay, so the next thing is you have now got this new notification panel, and you have got the silent notification, which like the Play Store updating the apps, it will not alert you about the Play Store that has updated your apps. It will just remain the notifications in this bar icon under silent notifications. All the notifications will be silent, like of no use, like the Play Store, the Google weather app and all that. You can also change the Zen mood. Now the Zen mood has duration times. You can, before it was only for 20 minutes, now you can change it to 20, 30, 40 and 60. Let me just reduce the brightness a little bit so you guys can see better. So as you can see, 20, 30, 40 and 60. So that is pretty cool. If you don't want, if you have addicted to your phone for so long, you can basically just turn on Zen mode for 60 minutes straight and your addiction will be straight gone. So guys, the next thing I have been noticing is that this is, I don't know what is installed, mobile device information provider. I don't know to install it or not. It might break or do something. And let me just show you the updater version. Let me just install OnePlus Oxygen updater. So yeah, I got it installed, and after clean install it actually got removed. So yeah, there we go. So so there we go, guys. 1 minute. Yes, so there we go. The system is updated. View updated information. This is actually for the stable ROM. Oxygen is 9.5.11. If you go into settings and select here Android Q developer preview and click back, and it will show you the Android Q developer preview 4. As you can see the few issues: application compatibility problem, low probability with stability, and low probability with lagging issue. I haven't noticed a stutter that much. Google Pay is not working. The fingerprint will be cleared after installation over the Pi ROM. You must set it manually and all that stuff. So guys, that is it for this video, and this is the Android Q developer preview on the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you want to install it, you can install it